The motive power is walked round the tram and attached to the north end, ready for our trip along the promenade round to Douglas Bay. The ferry terminal is in the background. This 3-foot gauge line was opened in 1876 by a private company. Douglas Corporation bought it in 1900. Since 1927 it runs only in summer. In recent years there have been various proposals to remove the tram tracks from the middle of the road, but so far no changes have been made. There are a number of types of horse tram. This is a covered toast rack. The seats extend the full width of the car. This is an open toast rack car for fine sunny days. We pass a replacement horse being led from the stables to the northern terminus. 2 return trips is the normal turn of duty. After passengers have alighted at Derby Castle terminus, the car is taken on to the boarding place and the horse detached. Outside the depot is a covered car in case of bad weather.